Ngithi ngingena ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter, ngizithela pheka nansi ipost kaKenny Kunene efundeka kanje. Julius Malema didn't comply with the Deputy Judge President's directive. The court struck his application from the roll. He is ordered to pay my cost on Scale B. This is the matter about MacG's podcast. Ayisethe ku-Ashley Souls on Spizani. Wathi glory be to God. Kenny Kunene uthi lolu daba belisenkantolo of which inkantolo has struck it off the roll luthinta i-podcast kaMacG. Ngase ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi uKenny Kunene ekuleya podcast kunezinto azisho ngoJulius Malema lezi ezaholela ekuthenini uJulius Malema athathe igxathu lokuyommangalela enkantolo. Emaphepheni asenkantolo ngaleso sikhathi ayithe ufuna axolise enze public apology asho ukuthi leyo nto leyo ayizisho lapha azilona iqiniso bese khokha imali engango 1 million rand imali ekufuneka amkhokhele yona ukuze ageze igama lakhe. Ngakho ke njengoba udaba lakhona belilokhu liseyinkantolo, yakhumbula ukuthi udaba lakhona kwakufuneka liye enkantolo ngesikhathi CIC Julius Malema ese-East London nakho ngesikhathi ayothola isentence yakhe. So basabameli benza isivumelwano sokuthi cha udaba lolu abalihlehlise ngoba usabhekane nalolu daba lale eEast London. Bese ngikhohlwe nje lolu daba ukuthi udaba olukhona njengoba ngizwe kuthiwa namhlanje inkantolo strike it off the roll. Kodwa ngaphambi ngichaza into eningi ngifisa ukukukhumbuza ukuthi wathini uKenny Kunene leyazi yaholela uJulius Malema ukuthi afuna ukumsuwa imali engango 1 million nanokuthi axolise.
Julius is calling this man Molefe names. But what is interesting is that the man who is late now, who was the businessman of Molefe, Julius would drive at 12 midnight, at 2 o'clock when that man calls and drive to his farm.
No ways.
Drive to his farm.
Oh, who's the man?
Mswazi.
Oh, yes. The late.
Julius will drive to his farm.
Dino Gang, the farm in Dino Gang.
Yes.
Whoa.
After Venterveld.
You.
Julius will leave the back room here of Mazoti and drive to that man's house. Julius paid protection, I don't know from who.
Who's Mazoti?
Now, this man and that man were friends. They knew each other. So now that one is dead and this one has a problem, you are now saying this one is this one is that, this one is that. That's hypocritical. He was right in their circle. He was right in their circle.
Oh, wow.
I was at the funeral of Mswazi because I am an MMC of transport. The taxi industry is my stakeholder.
Oh, yes.
It was a big taxi boss.
Yes.
And I went there. Julius spoke there as a friend of Mswazi.
No way.
He spoke as a friend. How do you then say the friend of Mswazi is now a criminal? Is this? Are you saying Mswazi was a criminal? You were in that circle. If this man was at Mswazi's house, you were there. He probably knows Molefe more than me. But in public, he's portraying a picture of a holy cow. He lives in the backyard of Mazoti, a white person. He says he's not afraid to go to prison, but he goes to get a white woman social worker to come and plead for him. So when it suits him, white people are useful. When he addresses his crowds, white people are evil. So that is Julius, and I'm making that example to show that he speaks for what suits the narrative at that particular time.
uKenny Kunene wayezivezela ukuthi uJulius wenobudlelwane nomswazi, umswazi enobudlelwane noKatiso Mlife. Kodwa ngoba namhlanje umswazi akasekho, uKatiso Mlife sekukhona izinto asolwa ngazo, sembiza amagama kanti bakwicycle eyodwa. Labantu umuntu obahlanganisayo umswazi. Ngakho ke manje njengoba uMswazi sengasekho usezenza ngcono. Kuningi kakusho njengoba kade uzwa la. Lokhu kokwenza ukuthi uJulius Malema athathe igxathu lokuthi ayommangalela ethi lezi zinto lezi azilona iqiniso. Futhi mayisho kanje usho ukuthi uJulius Malema usho ukuthi uKenny Kunene uchaza ukuthi uJulius Malema unebudlelwano nalabantu labo kusolakala ukuthi bayiphathi ye-drug cartel. Lolu daba njengoba ethi suka-ke kwi-podcast ka-Mick G aye kulo yilolu daba lolu. Umuntu mhlawumbe ozosichazela kangcono ngokwenzeka enkantolo nangu.
News just in. EFF leader Julius Malema's attempt to sue Patriotic Alliance deputy leader Kenny Kunene for 1 million rand has been struck off the roll. Yes, I'm in the High Court in Johannesburg. This is where Malema's lawyers and Kenny Kunene's lawyers were today. They were meant to battle it out, but when we got here, the judge said that Malema's lawyers had not submitted their legal papers on time on case lines, and the matter has now been struck off the roll. So Malema has been trying to sue Kenny Kunene for 1 million rand. You would remember that when Kenny Kunene was on podcast and Chill with Mac G, he claimed that Malema had very close links to late taxi boss Jothan Msibi, who's allegedly linked to criminal cartels. Kunene claimed that Malema would drive over to Msibi's farm at midnight, carried 80,000 rand in cash, which he gave it to the late taxi boss, and also gifted him expensive alcohol. And Malema says those statements are defamatory and is trying to sue Kenny Kunene for 1 million rand. Now, this might not be the end of the road. Julius Malema's lawyers want to re-enroll this case with all the procedures having been followed and the papers uploaded on time. And we might be back very soon again to hear the arguments between Kenny Kunene and Julius Malema's lawyers. So for now, the case has been struck off the roll. Julius Malema has been ordered to pay the costs. Tell me.
Ngakho ngithela ubhuti uzosichazela kangcono ngoba usenkantolo yena futhi uyintatheli. Kodwa okubalekile akuveza la abameli bakaJulius Malema bathe bafuna ukuthi leli cala balibuyisele back to the role and bafile yonke into efuneka bayifile on time. Okusho ukuthi uKenny Kunene angaselebrate nje okwamanje kodwa ayiphelile. Sikho kokuqala uJulius Malema esuka uKenny Kunene. Wamsuka kokuqala wayiwina icase uJulius Malema, walithatha lona lelo cala uKenny Kunene walisa ku-Supreme Court of Appeal, laphinde lamlahla kulo Supreme Court of Appeal kwase kuthiwa akakhokha indleko. Wazikhokha-ke indleko nalokho kujeza kwakhe ayikujezile ngoba wayembize ngacockroach. Ngiyacabanga wayembize ngacockroach. Lapho emveni kwalapho-ke wayiluza icase. Njengoba esefake leli cala manje usuthi icala lesithathu ngoba phela uluze kabili uKenny Kunene eluza against uJulius. Lapho uKenny Kunene athe khona ukhathelene ukubhadala uJulius, manje unofakazi abangakwazi ukumfakazela kulento ayishoyo yokuya kaJulius Malema ebusuku lapho ephethe imali nazo zonke izinto. Ngakho kulokhu ngeke azadlala uJulius. Kunalokho uzobiza abameli uzobiza ofakazi bakhe bamele bakhulume nabe ecaleni lapho. Ingakho nje ethi lolu daba liphelile. Abameli bakaJulius Malema bazobuka ukuthi kuphi abangakwenzanga kahle baphinde babuye bazolifaka icala. Washo uJulius Malema wathi yena akadlali. Ungambiza ngayo yonke into kodwa atheka yena personally uvikela igama lakhe uzokusuka ngempela akadlali. Bengithi angikwazise nje ngalolu daba. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.